Hello friends, welcome back to Tech and Somebody. In this video, I am going to give review about the Honor Watch 5 Ultra. The Honor Watch 5 Ultra boasts sleek, stylish looks and impressive battery life. However, when it comes to its functionality, the Ultra label feels misleading, as there are not many features in addition to the standard fare. It is a shame that the Watch 5 Ultra does not support message replies. The smartwatch would also benefit from wider app support. During our time with Watch 5 Ultra, we were impressed with its precise measurements, flawless workmanship, and good battery life. Even it does not reach the factory specification. That being said, that the automatic workout recognition did not function, and some translations in the app are inconsistent or awkward. The Watch 5 Ultra supports wireless charging using the QI standard. Overall, the Honor Watch 5 Ultra is a high-quality smartwatch that still needs some fine tuning when it comes to the software experience. So friends, that's all about Honor Watch 5 Ultra. Hope you enjoyed the full video. Thank you.